Identify 3 main challenges in conducting marketing experiments.
So the first is the support. A lot of platforms do not have built-in incrementality tests, so you'll need to have to figure it out yourself, negate some geos, push on more other geos. So that will be the first little issue you'll see. The second issue I see is that very often vendors do the incrementality test themselves, and the problem with that is that we don't have a very good view on how accurate this data is, because it's just like you receive a PowerPoint and then they mention the incrementality, but there's a lot of math behind the scene and you don't always have a view on this. And so the only way really to solve this is really push back, ask more questions, trying to understand really how they came up to the answers. Some vendors might even share with you more data points, but obviously you trust them. So that's a bit of the issue. So if you can do it yourself, it's always better. I'm not saying that all vendors are lying. I'm just saying that, as my first mentor told me, and I never forget that, is trust is good, but control is better. The third point is incrementality tests might not work with all businesses. When you have, for example, a very high seasonal product and a big part of the year you just have to build the top of the mind to then have all the purchase on the holidays, incrementality testing is not really going to do the work, because you have a very high seasonal effect and then you can't really run an incrementality test during the holiday period. So incrementality is not the answers for all business, unfortunately.